Hello guys, welcome to this video. So if you want to enable Microsoft Office related kind of a theme inside your VS Code, you can install this extension which lets you provide all the themes with the user interface. Go to extensions tab and just type here Office theme, and this is actually Microsoft Office like theme for VS Code. If you just install it, click the install button, and it has various themes as you can see for Word document, PowerPoint, Excel. So it has various themes here. First of all, you just need to click the install button to install this theme. And once it is installed, you can see in the drop down we have various themes. You can check out the live preview. This is your Office theme. This is for Excel. It has a green tinge. OneNote, PowerPoint, Publisher, Word document. This is a dark theme here. This is the black theme here, which is for Word document. So you can see that. So this is the syntax highlighting the color combination, and just open the command palette, and if you want to change the theme, or you can also change by clicking this button right here, set color theme, and change it. This is the lighter theme. If you see, this is the Excel theme. You can see similar to Microsoft Office. So you can see this is the OneNote. Slight color combinations are there. So this is your PowerPoint theme. Orange color is there. This is your publisher theme, as you can see, and lastly we have the word theme, bluish word theme. So if you like the Office themes, so you can readily install this extension for VS Code, which provides you with all the themes. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.